Hi everyone, I have this CH340 board with a USB port. A Type-C cable doesn't fit, so I decided to replace the USB-B port with a Type-C. I'm inspecting the PCB and the USB-B port that I'll be replacing. I'm securing the board in a holder to desolder the USB-B port. Using a heat gun and tweezers, I'm desoldering and removing the old USB-B port. I'm cleaning the solder pads on the main PCB from residual solder. I'm preparing the pads on the main PCB with a soldering iron for the new connections. Here's the removed USB-B port. Using pliers, I'm salvaging 2 pins from this old USB-B port. I'm tinning the 2 salvaged pins. I'm soldering these 2 pins onto the main PCB. They will serve as new contacts for the Type-C port. This is the new Type-C breakout board. I'm showing its Pinout BD+G for essential connections. An overlay explains the Type-C pinout. I'm preparing to install the Type-C board using the created contacts and 2 resistor leads as connecting elements. I'm soldering the resistor leads to the Type-C board and then connecting them and the Type-C board's pins to the previously soldered pins' new contacts on the main PCB, securing the initial connections. I'm continuing to solder all necessary connections for the new Type-C port. I'm adjusting one of the connecting resistor leads with tweezers. I'm finalizing the soldering of all Type-C port connections. I'm cleaning flux residue from the soldered area. Using a multimeter, I'm testing the continuity of the VCC, V, V+, and GND connections of the new Type-C port. I'm applying hot glue for mechanical support and to secure the installed Type-C port. I'm connecting my modified CH340 adapter now to a PC using a Type-C cable, showing my successfully modified and working adapter with the new Type-C port, and giving a thumbs up